Imagine waking up one morning to find out that your favorite AI tool, which was helping you automate mundane tasks, has been suddenly banned by the US government. Sounds like science fiction, right? But that's exactly what happened with Anthropic's models. And it's not a story about an AI jailbreak, but rather a complex web of regulations and miscommunication. In this video, we'll dive into what really happened and what it means for you and your organization. The ban on Anthropic's models was a shock to the AI community, with many experts and users left wondering what had gone wrong. But as it turns out, the issue wasn't with the models themselves, but rather with how they were being used by Anthropic's AI platform, Llama. See, Llama was designed to be a general-purpose AI, capable of generating text, images, and even code. This made it a powerful tool, but also a potential security risk if not used properly. The U.S. government's Office of the Director of National Intelligence, ODNI, had been tracking Anthropic's progress